Jamaica, what has happened to our national honors and awards? These honors once represented sacrifice, integrity, and unquestionable service to our country. But after examining some names on the 2026 list, Jamaicans are asking whether we are celebrating national service or rewarding political loyalty. This is Michy commentary. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now let us get into it. But listen to this. First, George Davis. George Davis has received the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander for his contribution to media and communication. Nobody is denying that George has worked in journalism for many years, but longevity cannot silence the questions Jamaicans are asking. George Davis, what kind of journalism are we honoring? Journalism that holds the government accountable, or journalism that appears ready to defend Andrew Holness whenever political pressure starts rising? A journalist should stand between the people and powerful politicians, not become a shield protecting politicians from scrutiny. George, accept your Commander Class Award, but medals cannot command public trust. Trust must be earned through fairness, independence, and a willingness to challenge every political party equally. Second, Clifford Mr. Vegas Smith. Mr. Vegas has received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for his contribution to reggae music. Mr. Vegas, nobody can erase your contribution to dancehall. You carry Jamaican music internationally, and your musical catalog speaks for itself. But many Jamaicans no longer see only Mr. Vegas the entertainer. They see Mr. Vegas participating in Andrew Holness's political puppet show, defending the Prime Minister and attacking those who challenge the Jamaica Labour Party. When did your microphone become a political loudspeaker? Is this award strictly for the music, or did your political loyalty make your name shine brighter on the list? You may receive the medal for your music, but do not expect Jamaicans to ignore the political performance taking place off stage. Third, Daryl Vaz. Daryl Vaz has received the Order of Jamaica for what the official citation calls exceptional contribution to public service and representational politics. Exceptional contribution? Daryl, is this an award for the controversial rural school bus program involving 110 refurbished buses? Questions were raised about the bus's age, cost, procurement, and suitability for Jamaica's hilly roads. You rejected the criticism, but denying questions does not answer them. And where are the remainder of the school buses? How much longer must Jamaica wait? Are they still at the manufacturing plant receiving the so-called finishing touches? Or are we waiting for another set of old refurbished buses? How many were promised? How many arrived? How many are transporting students? And how many are out of service? We have heard reports about mechanical problems and incidents involving fire. These buses are carrying Jamaica's children. This is not a political game. Publish the inspection reports, explain the delays, and tell taxpayers what they receive for their money. Daryl, before celebrating your Order of Jamaica, answer the people. Where are the remainder of the buses? God help us, because our children's safety must come before political speeches and national awards. Finally, Olivia Babsy Grange. Babsy, you delivered a massive grand gala, complete with performances, fireworks, and a drone show. The celebration was beautiful, but while Kingston's sky was glowing, too many Hurricane Melissa victims in Western Jamaica were still looking through damaged roofs. Some families are still struggling for food, housing, and basic assistance. Yet the government can always find money for another production, ceremony, and grand spectacle. Babsy, the I Love Jamaica telethon reportedly raised more than $65 million. The wider concert series reportedly raised approximately $200 million for hurricane recovery. Where is the detailed accounting? How much was collected? Where was it deposited? How much was distributed? Which communities benefited and who audited the funds? Was any hurricane relief money used, directly or indirectly, for these expensive celebrations? If the answer is no, publish the audited records and remove every doubt. Fireworks disappear in seconds and drone formations vanish from the sky. But the suffering in Western Jamaica remains after the celebration ends. Shame on any administration that can showcase national resilience inside a stadium while hurricane victims are still fighting to recover their dignity. Jamaica's national honors must never become Andrew Holness's political loyalty program. Honor the deserving, yes. But stop behaving as though defending the government and praising the Prime Minister are qualifications for national recognition. A medal can decorate your chest, but it cannot cover your record. This is Michy Dex commentary.
What is this, Babsy?
Tell Jamaica.
What have you done? The country is under pressure, but you are spending for fun. What have you done, Babsy? What have you done? The country is in distress, but you are adding more stress. People need roofs, but help is not coming through. While fireworks and drones light up the sky above you. What have you done, Babsy? Please explain why. Millions reported they spend putting on a show in the sky, while country people lie in bed looking up through their roofs. You are celebrating, but Jamaica wants the truth. Roofs were blown away and the rain is coming in. Families are still waiting and their patience is wearing thin. You found money for the glitter and the Grand Gala show, but where is the relief money and where did it go? More than 65 million from the telethon call, 200 million reportedly raised overall. Show Jamaica the records and let the people see how much you reach the victims and affected communities. Drones went up top, fireworks flew, while struggling families waited for help from you. The show is finished and the bright lights are gone, but the people in the West are still struggling on. What have you done, Babsy? What have you done? The country is in distress, but you are adding more stress. People need food and people need roofs. Stop giving us spectacles, Jamaica wants proof. What have you done, Babsy? Please answer the call. Account for the money, every cent, once and for all. Fireworks disappear when the celebration is cool, but the people suffering is still waiting on you. Babsy,
Tell Jamaica.
what have you done? The country is under pressure, but you are spending for fun. What have you done, Babsy? What have you done? The country is in distress, but you are adding more stress. People need roofs, but help is not coming through. While fireworks and drones light up the sky above you. What have you done, Babsy? Please explain